The Fiat X1 is an Italian two-seat sports car that stands out for its engineering ambition, balanced handling, and distinctive Bertone design. Development began with the 1969 Autobianchi A112 Runabout concept, styled by Marcello Gandini at Bertone. The concept introduced a sharp wedge profile, strong geometric lines, and a mid-engine layout, features that transitioned almost directly into the production car. The Fiat X1 was officially launched in 1972. Unlike most Fiats of the era, it was designed from the outset to meet stringent United States safety regulations, influencing its strong central rollover hoop, reinforced structure, and impact protection. The car used a monocoque body produced by Bertone and Grugliasco and final assembly by Fiat at Lingotto. Power came from Fiat's single overhead cam engines designed by Aurelio Lampredi, mounted transversely behind the cabin and driving the rear wheels. Early models featured a 1.3-liter engine with a 4-speed gearbox, producing around 75 horsepower in European specification. In 1979, the only major mechanical update arrived, a 1.5-liter engine paired with a 5-speed transmission, improving flexibility and cruising ability. Suspension was fully independent with MacPherson struts all round, disc brakes on all 4 wheels, and rack and pinion steering, giving the X1 handling characteristics that rivaled far more expensive sports cars. Its low center of gravity, near ideal weight distribution, and compact dimensions earned it a reputation as a baby Ferrari. The X1 featured a removable Targa roof that could be stored in the front luggage compartment, with a second storage area at the rear. Retractable headlights, front and rear trunks, and a driver-focused cockpit further emphasized its sports car credentials. In 1982, Fiat transferred full production and branding to Bertone. Cars from this period were officially sold as the Bertone X1 and featured improved rust protection, revised interiors, and better ergonomics for taller drivers. Production continued until 1989, with final Grand Finale editions marking the end of the model. Today, the Fiat X1 is valued for its originality, engineering purity, and design heritage. Surviving low mileage and well-preserved examples are increasingly rare and sought after by collectors. Active owners clubs in Europe and North America continue to support the model, ensuring that the X1 remains a respected and fascinating chapter in Italian sports car history.